Yeah, what's going on, guys? The Ox Biker here. So I thought I'd nip out this morning. It's only 9:30. I thought I'd nip out this morning and get a bit of a video done. The reason for that being the fact that I've not done one in a while. When I say a while, it's been probably a couple of weeks, so quite a long time. Now, at the beginning of this week, I was away camping with my dad. We did a bit of a motorbike camping trip up to the Lake District, but turns out the weather wasn't on our side. So we went on the Monday and we were due to come back on the Wednesday. Now the Monday, getting up there, fine, absolutely brilliant. It was like this, nice blue skies. In fact, there were less clouds than there is today. Monday was fine. No issues, got the tent up, sat outside, had a couple of beers, the usual. But from Tuesday onwards, Tuesday was absolutely horrendous. Couldn't get any footage because to have the GoPro recording audio, and obviously from the microphone, it's got to not be waterproof. And it's a rather expensive thing to ruin just to get a bit of footage, I think. So we left the GoPro in the tent and we just went out for a bit of a ride, but even that, I believe, got cut short because it was just too wet. Apart from not having very much trust in these tyres in the wet, because they do sort of drift all over the place, you don't enjoy it. Now, as much as I wanted to go up to the Lake District, ride around and enjoy it regardless of what weather we had, when it comes to it, you don't actually enjoy. So unfortunately there's not going to be any footage of me riding around in the Lake District, so apologies for that. I just wanted to get out and have a decent ride in some sun. Don't you be pulling out, you wait there. So I just wanted to come out, have a bit of a ride around, and maybe do something with the kids this afternoon. Now, part of this ride, I should have tested it before I went away to the lakes, but I didn't get much chance. So part of this ride is to basically test out the new microphone and the new video, see if everything's lined up properly, and make sure that the sound's recording right, no issues with that. So as you can probably tell, I normally have the drift, and it's obviously side mounted, but now I've got a chin mounted camera. So the reason for that is the fact that I bought a GoPro quite a while ago, the Hero 7 Black. I bought it quite a while ago to use and get different angles, but I thought, you know what, the GoPro apparently has better audio and better video, so why not upgrade the vlogs and use the GoPro and use the drift, which is there, as like a second camera. So getting that done was a bit of an arse. So obviously got the GoPro, I've got extra pivot arms, I had to buy the mic adapter at £50, that's not a cheap thing to do. And I already had the drift microphone obviously, so I thought, rather than waste money and go out and buy a new microphone, I'll just use the drift one. So I started using the drift microphone and did a bit of a test, and it was only recording in one channel, so basically it'd play back sound in the left ear but not the right one. So I had a look about, the microphone was working because I plugged it back into the drift to check it, and it was all working fine. So I thought maybe I'll need a new microphone. So I had a look, and it looks like basically on a microphone, on the jack, you have a couple of rings. Well, the drift mic I've got, it's only got one, which tells me that it records in mono. Now I thought maybe I need a stereo microphone, so I went online, ordered a stereo microphone. It came with the fluffy windsock and everything like that, and a few adapters. So I thought, this looks a decent bit of kit, this. I mean, I only paid £12 for it, so it's not the most expensive, but I thought it might work. So anyway, the new microphone turned up. I got that plugged into the GoPro, did some audio tests, moved it around in a couple of places, but long story short, it was just far too sensitive. Turns out it's an omnidirectional microphone, so it's recording sound for a whole 360 degrees, and I don't need that. I just need the sound that's obviously in front of the microphone. So now I am actually back to the drift microphone, and all I'm doing is in the editing suite, I'm just copying the audio across into the right channel. A bit of a mess about, but it's not too much work, and it means that I'll get good quality audio. So until I can find a microphone that will actually work properly, it's just what I'm going to have to do. So that's partly why I'm out on the bike as well. A, because I've not done a video for a while, and B, I actually need to make sure that I can do a video. And we'll take a right here. So it's not a very long video, so let me know what you think, guys. Do you like the look of the new GoPro? Do you like the look of the angle? I mean, obviously if the sound's okay, you'll see this. But let me know what your thoughts are. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't, hit the thumbs down. But I do say, if you whichever one you're doing, please leave a comment and let me know what I'm doing well or what I'm not doing well, and then we'll obviously work to improve that on the channel and make everybody's experience that little bit better. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do subscribe, hit the bell button next to the subscribe button as well, because it'll just mean that you get a notification every time I upload. Because what I've found is people are subscribing to the channel. It's all well and good, I appreciate it, but the amount of content that gets watched by subscribers compared to non-subscribed people is quite low. Now I'm suspecting it's because people aren't getting either a notification or for whatever reason YouTube's not showing them. But if you hit the bell button, you'll be guaranteed to get a notification every time I upload, so it'll give you that opportunity to watch it. If you want to support the channel as well, help create more content, you can do that. All you need to do is go over to patreon.com/TYB93. I'll put the link in the description as well. And you can help support by donating as little as £1 or $1 a month. I think it works out at about 80 odd pence, 90 odd pence or something like that. And then you get people trying to stop at middle of the road. But you don't have to do that. If you want to do that, you can. The opportunity for you to do so is there, but you don't need to. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ride safe, keep the sticky side down, and until next time, I love you all.